the most boring video about Disney and Magic Kingdom. This video is about yellow tape. Why does Disney use this yellow tape? To mark out the parade routes. It's going to be boring, but very informative, so stick around. And you can see the yellow tape everywhere on the ground. But today is a great day for this video because the rain. And the rain makes it to where you can see what's really going on behind the scenes with the yellow tape and Disney parades. And just ahead is a walkway path that they made. And if you didn't know already, this is the Frontierland area of the Magic Kingdom in Orlando, Florida. The walkway to the right leads to Tiana's and Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. And with a boring video, we got a few boring tips. If you happen to be visiting Florida in the summertime, you might need a poncho. Stick one in your backpack because it may come in handy. And when you see these small signs, follow them. You're almost there. Something else that surprises me when it rains. The water ride lines. You can ride these rides with no line, no waiting. That's pretty awesome. Unfortunately, today, Big Thunder Mountains is under construction, but it'll open soon, and we'll get to ride. Today seems like a really good day to go down on the bayou. A little bit of water here today and perfect timing for a water ride. They sure are waving. If you look to your left in that cart, it's full of people. They're taking advantage of these short lines to ride Tiana's and enjoy the bayou. And in this area, I'm always thinking about shrimp and grits. But it's not here. You have to go all the way to Port Orleans to get it. Why, Disney? Why? Alright, I got a little sidetracked. This video is supposed to be about yellow tape and parade lines. This is right where the parade starts. So pick a side if you want to be at the beginning. This side right here is a great spot. When the parade's over, you can make it to Pirates quickly. Or if you stay just across the yellow tape on the Tiana side, you get to take advantage of the fact that the line at Tiana's is going to be much shorter because of the parade. Make sure you take advantage of it. This spot right here looks like a walkway, but it's actually the exit to the Country Bear Jamboree. This is going to be the parade route view from the top side. Another boring tip, this is the tape line to Tiana's side. So if you stay on the right side of this tape, during the middle or the end of the parade, the line is going to be very short. Or at least it's going to definitely be shorter than it was before the parade. Stay on this side for Pirates. It's another view of the line. And there's another walkway coming up right here. This is the walkway to Adventureland. And if you turn to your right, first thing through this walkway, you're gonna find Dole Whip. This is another good way. If you're right here, you can get to Pirates really quick after the parade. Same thing goes for Jungle Cruise. And just in case you're still awake, or if you haven't fell asleep yet, here's another few minutes of rain video to enjoy. And the most die-hard Disney fans probably noticed that we're missing the rest of the parade route. Well, I'm pretty sure we'll follow up with another video, but if this one is too boring, we probably need to shoot the next video in the sunlight without rain. It's up to you guys. And if you made it this far, you either fell asleep or you really enjoy rainy days. Anyway, like and subscribe, and we'll keep on making boring videos so you can enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching a boring video about yellow tape.